Have you ever felt like your cleaning products just aren't cutting it? Like no matter how much you scrub, there's always that lingering grime or odor? Well, what if I told you there's an inexpensive, natural solution sitting in your pantry right now that can tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs? That's right. I'm talking about baking soda, the unassuming white powder that's about to become your new best friend for all things clean. Now, I know that you might be thinking, baking soda for cleaning? Are you serious? Oh, I'm dead serious. This humble ingredient is a true multitasker, capable of tackling everything from stubborn grease stains to foul odors. And like I mentioned before, it's inexpensive, natural, and probably already sitting in your kitchen. Get ready to be amazed as I reveal mind-blowing baking soda hacks that will change the way you clean forever. First up, there is the all-purpose baking soda cleaner. This powerful solution is perfect for tackling countertops, sinks, bathtubs, and pretty much any surface in your home. Here's how you make it. The ingredients needed are 5 tablespoons vinegar, 1 cup water, 2 teaspoons baking soda, and half a teaspoon of dish soap, like Dawn. To make the cleaner, take a 16-ounce glass spray bottle and use a funnel to add the vinegar and half cup of the water. This dilutes the vinegar before adding the other ingredients. Slowly add in the 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Go slowly to avoid an excessive fizzing reaction between the vinegar and baking soda. Next, add in the half teaspoon of dish soap. Finally, add the remaining half cup of water to the bottle. That's it. The all-purpose baking soda cleaner is ready to be used. The baking soda acts as a mild abrasive to help scour surfaces, while the vinegar helps cut through grease and grime. The dish soap adds some extra cleaning power. The water dilutes the mixture to a usable consistency. When using, simply give the bottle a shake to mix everything together. Spray it onto countertops, sinks, bathtubs, or any other surface that needs cleaning. Let it sit briefly before scrubbing and wiping away. The baking soda and vinegar will fizz slightly to help lift dirt and leave surfaces sparkling clean. This combo is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to cleaning. Keep watching to find out other ways that baking soda can effectively be used as a natural cleaner. Trust me, you do not want to miss them. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Let me know in the comments section if you dread cleaning the oven, because I do. With this next baking soda hack, that dreaded chore just got a whole lot easier. Here is the process for cleaning an oven using baking soda. Make a baking soda paste. Mix 3/4 cup of baking soda with 1/4 cup of warm water to form a spreadable paste. If desired, you can add a few drops of essential oil like lemon or tea tree oil to the paste for a fresh scent. For larger ovens, make more paste using a 3:1 ratio of baking soda to water. How to apply the paste. Remove any oven racks, thermometers or other items from inside the oven. Use a brush or rubber spatula to spread the baking soda paste all over the interior surfaces of the oven, avoiding the heating elements. Get the paste into any grease buildup or stuck-on grime. For hard-to-reach areas, use an old toothbrush to apply the paste. Allow the baking soda paste to sit for at least 12 hours or up to 24 hours for extremely stubborn stains. This gives the baking soda time to work on breaking down the baked-on grease and food particles. It's normal for the paste to turn brown as it absorbs the grease and grime. After letting the paste sit overnight or for 12+ hours, you can then wipe out the oven and finish the cleaning process with vinegar. The baking soda paste will have done most of the tough work to loosen and lift the stubborn baked-on mess. It acts as a natural oven cleaner, breaking down those baked-on messes, making them a breeze to wipe away. No more harsh fumes or expensive oven cleaners. Clogged drains are the bane of every homeowner's existence. But before you reach for that toxic drain cleaner, why not try this baking soda solution instead? Start by pouring half cup of baking soda directly into the drain opening. Let the baking soda fall down into the pipe. Slowly pour 1 cup of vinegar into the drain opening. You should immediately hear a fizzing and bubbling reaction as the vinegar mixes with the baking soda. Quickly cover or plug the drain opening with a drain stopper or cloth. This will allow the chemical reaction to build up pressure in the pipes to help dislodge the clog. Let the baking soda and vinegar mixture sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes to give it time to work on breaking down the clog. While it's sitting, you can optionally pour a pot of boiling water down the drain. The heat helps further react with and dissolve the clog. After 15 to 30 minutes, remove the drain cover and let hot tap water run for a few minutes to help flush out any remaining debris. The fizzing reaction between the baking soda and vinegar helps to break up hair, soap scum, grease and other build-up causing the clog, and voila! Your drain is clear and flowing freely once again. Okay, let's move on to one of the nastiest cleaning jobs of all. Our toilet bowls. We've all been there, staring down that porcelain throne with its unsightly stains mocking you. But have no fear, baking soda is here to save the day. Just sprinkle some baking soda directly into the toilet bowl and let it sit for a few minutes. If you're dealing with some real stubborn stains, go ahead and add a splash of vinegar too. The fizzing reaction is like sending in a tiny cleaning army to attack that grime. Then grab your toilet brush and get to scrubbing. I'm telling you, it's so satisfying to see those stains disappear before your eyes. All right, let's shift gears to something a little fancier. Stainless steel appliances. Don't you just love how they make your kitchen look all shiny and modern, until you get up close and see all the smudges and fingerprints, that is? Baking soda will come to the rescue again. Make a paste with some baking soda and water. Here's how to make a baking soda paste for cleaning stainless steel appliances. Ingredients needed: baking soda and water. Instructions: take a small bowl and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Slowly add in just enough water while mixing to form a spreadable paste. Start with 1 to 2 teaspoons of water and add more as needed. The consistency should be similar to toothpaste or a thick liquid. If the paste seems too dry, add a few more drops of water and mix well until you get a smooth, spreadable texture. For tougher stains or larger appliances, you can make a bigger batch using a 3-to-1 ratio of baking soda to water. Once you have the desired paste consistency, you can apply it directly onto the stainless steel surface using a soft cloth or sponge. Gently rub the paste in circular motions, going with the grain of the stainless steel. Let the baking soda paste sit for 5 to 10 minutes to allow it to work on cutting through grease and lifting stains. After letting it sit, use a damp cloth to wipe away the paste residue, again wiping with the grain. Rinse with clean water and buff dry with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. The baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive to remove stuck-on grime, while the paste form allows it to cling better to vertical surfaces. This is an effective and inexpensive way to clean stainless steel naturally. That's what I call a cleaning win. I have to admit I sometimes get a little too into polishing my stainless. There you have it, folks. A treasure trove of baking soda cleaning hacks that will make your life so much easier. Who knew this humble pantry staple could be such a powerhouse when it comes to keeping your home spick and span? So, the next time you're faced with a tough cleaning job, don't reach for those harsh chemicals. Instead, grab that trusty box of baking soda and let the cleaning magic begin. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing, informative and educational videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments section which of these hacks you're most excited to try. Until my next video, stay healthy and happy.